Good day, Sir Madam. I am Ivy Maribes Montituisa, 24, married, blessed with 2 children. The ages is 10 years old and 7 years old. My husband is catering staff, my father is government staff, and my mother is deceased. I have 4 brothers and no sisters. I am from Tanawan City, Batangas, Philippines. I am Roman Catholic and I am high school graduate. I was worked as local helper in the Philippines for 5 years. I have served 5 members of the family, 2 adult, 1 newly born, and 2 elderly. I was worked as also in the Philippines as local helper. I have served 5 members of the family, 1 adult, 1 child, 1 newly born, and 2 elderly. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do all my best to serve your family. I will treat your family as my family too. I will follow all regulations and responsibilities that you gave to me. Again, I am Ivy Maribes Montituisa, 24. Thank you and God bless.